Namaste and welcome. My name is Amit. I want to invite you to join us here at Rishikesh Yogkulam for our online self-paced 200-hour yoga teacher training course. Our 200-hour online yoga teacher training course is the exploration of Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Vinyasa, Pranayama, meditation, yoga anatomy and physiology, yoga philosophy, asana lab, and teaching methodology. During the course, you will be guided by the expert team of the teachers in a progressive manner, which will give you the step-by-step understanding of yoga and will help you to gain more knowledge. With this course, you will get the full access to our website, where you will have more than 324 pre-recorded video. All the course material will be provided to you, and we will provide you our online 200-hour yoga teacher training course manual approved by Yoga Alliance USA. You will also have access to our WhatsApp group, in which you can ask all the questions directly to your teacher and clear your doubts. So I invite you to join us for this amazing journey of yoga. Namaste.